Hello everyone, and welcome back to Healthy Food Secret for 99. Today we're talking about one of the most underrated and incredibly healthy vegetables, eggplant, and how stir-frying eggplant with tofu can be a powerful boost to your health. Let's dive into the benefits of this delicious plant-based dish. What is stir-fried eggplant? You might know eggplant as aubergine, that glossy purple vegetable with a soft, creamy. In this version, we stir-fry it with oil, garlic, herbs, and sometimes chili without using any pork, chicken, or seafood. That makes it completely vegetarian and even vegan-friendly. So follow me in my kitchen. For this dish, you'll need the following very simple ingredients like 3 medium eggplant, 3 pieces of firm tofu cut into small cubes, 3 cloves of garlic finely chopped, pepper, a small amount of cooking oil, just enough to stir-fry, a handful of green onion leaves chopped, a few stalks of celery, and for seasoning, fish sauce, a bit of salt, and pepper to taste. How to cook. Step 1 first, wash the eggplants and all your ingredients until clean. Step 2, boil some water and blanch the eggplants until they're soft. This will make peeling the skin much easier. Step 3 now, peel the skin off the eggplants. Step 4, in a pan, fry garlic until it smells amazing and golden brown. Step 5, add a splash of fish sauce, then drop in the peeled eggplants. Add a bit of water to keep it moist. Step 6, season with sugar, salt, and ground black pepper. Adjust to your taste. Step 7, let it simmer for about 15 minutes so the eggplants become soft and flavorful. Step 8, to finish, sprinkle chopped scallion leaves and celery on top for a fresh, fragrant aroma. Finally, serve it with fresh veggies and enjoy your healthy, delicious stir-fried eggplant. Eggplant. High in fiber, low in calories, rich in antioxidants, especially niacin from the purple skin, supports heart and brain health. Tofu. A great plant-based protein, contains calcium, iron, and amino acids. Supports muscles and bones with 0 cholesterol. Garlic, green onion. Boost your immune system. Fight inflammation and bacteria. Add flavor without needing much salt. Peppers, celery. Full of vitamin C and fiber. Help with digestion and skin health. Cooking with little oil. Keeps the dish light and heart-friendly. Reduces unhealthy fat while still enhancing flavor overall. This stir-fried eggplant and tofu dish is vegan, high-fiber, low-calorie, and totally satisfying. It's perfect for lunch or dinner, especially if you're trying to eat clean, plant-based, or just more vegetables. Overall, benefits of your meal. Rich in fiber, good digestion. Vitamins A, C, K, and folate. Supports immunity, skin, and blood. Antioxidants reduce inflammation and boost long-term health. Hydration from cucumber and lettuce. Tip for this video to serve with this food. I also mix beetroot dot, that is the best vegetable for healthy as below a benefit. Boosts energy. Beetroot is rich in natural nitrates that help improve blood flow and oxygen to muscles. Great for stamina and staying active like a natural energy drink. Good for the heart. Helps lower blood pressure thanks to its nitrates. Keeps your heart strong and healthy. Brain booster. Improves blood flow to the brain, helping with focus, memory, and learning. Especially helpful for students and growing children. Builds strong blood. High in iron and folate, which help make healthy red blood cells. Prevents anemia and keeps you feeling energetic. Helps digestion. Full of fiber, which keeps your tummy happy and helps with smooth digestion. Prevents constipation. Fights inflammation. Packed with antioxidants like betalains, which give it the deep red color. Helps the body fight stress and stay healthy. Bonus. Great for skin glow and detox, helps cleanse the liver. Thank you for your watching. Please subscribe for more secret healthy long life, 99 food magic that my family eat routine.